Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add aggressive shake effect to our video on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and for example, I'm going to add aggressive shake effect to this video. As you can see, I have added my video to the timeline and I'm going to add effect to this video. First of all, we need to go to the effect menu right here, and then we're going to go to the video effect and we can simply search for the shake effect. We just need to type in shake like this and the effect will automatically appear, and you can choose this one guys, and you can add this effect to your video by dragging this effect like this, or you can simply click on this plus icon. And to make it more aggressive, I'm going to increase the strength and also the speed like this, and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add aggressive shake effect to our video on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!